Hello everyone, let's practice text manipulation commands.
So let us step immediately into our first exercise in our path. Basically, it is about text manipulation commands. Later on, you will see more advanced exercises as we progress in our course or in our path, but for now, we will start by learning this. So, the first part of the question is asking me to create a file. Name it fruits file. Pay attention here. It's mentioning create a file and not an empty file. So there is a difference. Now I want to use nano comment for creating a file. And of course I want to give it a name. Let's see. So as you see here, it directly opens and I want to like give it some fruits name. Let's say banana, orange, apple, kiwi, and that's it. That's enough. Now I want to exit this file. Simply I press Ctrl X, yes, and enter. Now I just want to make sure if the file is really created, or in other words, I want to display this file. Okay, simply by using the cat command. Of course, I want to give it the name of the file that I want to display, right? So yes, that's right, this is my file. Now part 3 of this question is asking me to count the total numbers of lines. What is the command responsible here? Simply wc-l. This is a flag. Later on, of course, I will explain more about the flags as we progress in this course. And then I will give it the name of the file, right? So that's correct. I have 5 lines in this file. The last part of this question is asking me actually to find all lines containing apple. What is the command responsible here? It's simply grep command. You can imagine it as grab an item from the line in order just for you to memorize it. So grep, I give the name of the item, and of course from which file I have to mention it. And that's it. Thank you for watching. See you in another videos.